How did nobody think of this sooner? These Amazon kitchen gadgets fix the most annoying cooking problems in seconds, but gadget number 4 solved something that used to waste my time every single day. And number 16 is somehow even smarter. Grate, shred, and zest with ease using the Lantana stainless steel cheese grater with container. Featuring 6 essential grating functions from fine to coarse, a built-in container with lid, and a sturdy stainless steel design, it keeps your kitchen clean and efficient. Compact, versatile, and easy to use. All for just $18. Electric Hot Pot. Multifunction electric pot. Uliki Hot Pot Electric is equipped with dual power regulation functions, 300W and 600W. You can choose the desired power freely. At 300W power, the rapid ramen cooker is perfect to make oatmeal, spaghetti, and eggs. When you cook soup or hot pot, you can switch to the high power of 600W. The Shabu Shabu pot can provide you with a variety of choices for your daily meals. Easy to clean and non-stick coating. The surface of the noodle cooker is made of a food-grade non-stick coating, which can keep food from sticking, which can cook healthy food with less oil. After cooking, the surface of the portable electric hot pot can be easily cleaned with water and a sponge to meet all your expectations of deliciousness. Enjoy fresh corn the easy way with the Chef and Cob Plus corn stripper and peeler. This smart kitchen tool quickly removes kernels from the cob in one smooth motion, saving time and reducing mess. The built-in safety pusher keeps your hands protected while ensuring maximum kernel removal. Its compact, ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand and is simple to use for both home cooks and beginners. Perfect for salads, salsas, soups, and side dishes, this corn stripper delivers clean results in seconds. A must-have gadget for fast, safe, and effortless corn prep every time. Upgrade your kitchen with this 4-piece non-toxic cutting board set. Made from BPA-free plastic and rubber, it includes premium scissors and an organizer to keep everything in place. Dishwasher safe and durable, it's perfect for all your chopping, slicing, and meal prep needs. Make perfect eggs every time with the Dash Deluxe Egg Cooker. Boil, poach, or steam up to 12 eggs quickly and easily. It comes with a measuring cup and recipe guide for foolproof results. BPA-free, dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup simple and safe. At just $29.99, it's the ultimate easy breakfast solution for any kitchen. Upgrade your kitchen with the premium Ravati RVH 82-22-33-inch undermount workstation kitchen sink. Crafted from durable 16-gauge stainless steel, this spacious single-bowl sink features a built-in workstation design with a cutting board and handy accessories for efficient meal prep and cleanup. The brushed finish helps hide scratches while adding a sleek modern look, combining style, durability, and functionality for just $649. Enjoy healthy cooking and soothing drinks with the Health Pot 1.5L double-layer glass electric kettle. This 9-in-1 programmable kettle lets you make soup, porridge, herbal tea, and more with ease. Featuring a stylish glass touch panel, stainless steel base, and double-layer glass design, it combines elegance and convenience for only $70. Cook smarter with the comfy 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker. This versatile 3-quart multi-cooker handles pressure cooking, slow cooking, steaming, sautéing, sous vide, and warming with ease. Featuring a natural ceramic-coated nonstick pot, it delivers healthy, delicious meals, perfect for small kitchens and everyday convenience. The OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 egg separator makes separating eggs quick and mess-free. It easily separates yolks from whites, cracks eggs, and strains shells in one simple tool. The soft, non-slip handle provides a comfortable grip for easy control. Perfect for baking and everyday cooking, this compact tool saves time and keeps your kitchen clean. Kitchen Drainer Basket. 2-in-1 collapsible colander. Rodigun's colander strainer basket set of 2 contains a basket and a colander. Get the versatility with this strainer bowl and colander set. Use them together for a convenient straining solution, or use them separately for unique kitchen tasks. A 3QT colander is suitable for rinsing or draining vegetables and fruits, or thawing frozen food. Make fresh prep quick and easy with the Cuisinart 3-quart salad spinner. Designed to wash, spin, and dry salad greens, fruits, and vegetables in one simple tool, it removes excess water fast for crisp results. The smooth spinning action is easy to use and perfect for everyday meals. Compact yet efficient, it's a must-have kitchen essential for healthier, fresher cooking. Make food prep quick and effortless with the crafty crocodile egg slicer for hard-boiled eggs. Featuring 3 slicing modes, this heavy-duty kitchen tool delivers perfect slices every time. The sharp stainless steel wires easily cut eggs, strawberries, mushrooms, grapes, and cherry tomatoes with a simple press. Durable, easy to use, and compact in design, it's the perfect kitchen chopper for salads, snacks, and everyday meal prep. Make fresh, healthy baby meals in seconds with the baby food maker with glass bowl and stainless steel blades. Featuring durable 316 stainless steel blades, a BPA-free design, and a one-step blending system, it easily prepares smooth purees for babies 6+ months. Safe, dishwasher-friendly, and perfect for every stage of weaning, all for just $33. Upgrade your kitchen with this 4-in-1 colander with bowl set. Perfect for washing rice, pasta, fruits, and vegetables, it works as a strainer, cleaner, and serving bowl in one. Stylish, durable, and easy to use, it's an aesthetic cooking essential and a thoughtful gift for any modern kitchen. Upgrade your kitchen prep with the 4-in-1 French fry cutter. This manual hand-powered tool quickly cuts perfect fries, dices onions, slices apples, and chops vegetables with ease. Featuring 4 interchangeable blades, it delivers fast, uniform results every time, no electricity needed. Durable, easy to use, and easy to clean, it's the perfect kitchen gadget for saving time while preparing fresh meals at home. Make movie night snacks fast and fun with the Elite Gourmet EPM 330M automatic stirring popcorn maker. This 12-cup popcorn maker features automatic stirring for evenly popped kernels, a built-in reversible serving bowl, and a handy measuring cap for perfect portions every time. Safe, easy to use, and perfect for home parties and kids. All in a stylish mint design for just $26. Make perfect homemade pizza with the aluminum metal pizza peel with rocker cutter. Featuring a durable 12-inch by 14-inch aluminum pizza peel, a sharp 14-inch rocker cutter, and a foldable wooden handle for easy storage. Perfect for indoor and outdoor ovens, this all-in-one pizza tool set helps you slide, serve, and slice like a pro. Grab this must-have pizza accessory for just $20. Cook hot meals anywhere with the portable ZoneTech 12V portable nonstick saucepan. Featuring rapid heating, a durable nonstick 2-quart pot, stay-cool handles, and a glass lid, it's perfect for camping, road trips, picnics, and travel cooking. Compact, convenient, and easy to use. All for just $39. Slice like a pro with the Gramercy adjustable mandolin food slicer. Perfect for potatoes, tomatoes, carrots, onions, fruits, and more, it delivers fast, even cuts every time. Built with durable stainless steel and adjustable settings for precision slicing, it also includes cut-resistant gloves for added safety. At just $39.95, it's the ultimate kitchen tool for quick, effortless meal prep. Maximize your sink space with the 1/9 magnetic drainage filter basket. This punch-free, triangular strainer easily attaches with strong magnets and keeps your corner tidy. The twist-open bottom makes cleaning effortless, while the durable design handles scraps, food, and debris. Comes as a 2-pack, smart, space-saving, and hassle-free. Peel, core, and slice fruits effortlessly with the upgraded apple peeler and corer. This manual rotating gadget works on apples, pears, and citrus, and comes with 2 replacement heads and a splitter for easy, precise prep. Make fun, homemade treats with the mini donut maker machine. Designed for kid-friendly breakfasts, snacks, and desserts, it makes 7 cute donuts at once with a fun donut print. The non-stick surface ensures easy release and quick cleanup, making every sweet moment simple, safe, and delicious. Keep your kitchen clean and organized with the large extendable dish drying rack. Featuring an adjustable design that expands from 16.93 inch to 26.57. This heavy-duty steel rack fits almost any sink and offers plenty of space for dishes, utensils, and cookware. Complete with a multifunctional drain board for easy water flow, it's the perfect countertop organizer. All for just $40. Make opening jars, bottles, and cans effortless with the 2026 4-in-1 jar opener. Adjustable and made from durable stainless steel, it's perfect for seniors and anyone with arthritis. This versatile kitchen tool fits multiple sizes, giving you a safe, easy grip and saving time and effort in the kitchen. Upgrade your kitchen with the Nanfang Brothers 7-piece Damascus knife set. Featuring ultra-sharp blades and ergonomic ABS handles, it delivers precision, comfort, and durability for every cut. This complete set includes essential knives, kitchen shears, and a stylish block for organized storage. Perfect for both home cooks and pros, it makes food prep faster and easier. All this premium quality for just $85. Easily slice and core fruits with the apple slicer. This heavy-duty cutter handles apples up to 3.8 inches, features 8 slices, a comfort handle, and a stable stand. Plus, it comes with tomato cutting blades for versatile, quick, and safe kitchen prep. Protect your hands with Dowalife cut-resistant gloves. Featuring food-grade level 5 protection, they offer superior safety for slicing, chopping, oyster shucking, and more. Comfortable, durable, and breathable, they provide a secure grip, perfect for chefs and home cooks alike. Upgrade your kitchen prep with this Acacia cutting board meal prep system. Featuring built-in containers with lids for interchangeable graters and 2 plastic boards for meat, it keeps prep organized and mess-free. Juice grooves capture liquids, while the durable design makes chopping, grating, and storing food faster and cleaner, an all-in-one prep station for any kitchen. Keep your sink clean and clog-free with the kitchen sink strainer with 200 mesh filter bags. Featuring a convenient basket holder and disposable mesh filter bags, it easily catches food scraps and leftovers for quick cleanup. Simple, hygienic, and perfect for every kitchen. All for just $17. Serve desserts in style with the Funtry 300-pack mini dessert cups with spoons. Perfect for pudding, parfaits, ice cream, and appetizers, these reusable clear cups add elegance to weddings, birthdays, and parties. Convenient, durable, and party-ready. All for just $33. Upgrade your kitchen in seconds with this 2-pack expandable pull-out cabinet organizer. Designed for 21-inch deep cabinets, it features smooth triple-slide rails for effortless access. The adjustable width fits cabinets from 12 to 20.4 inches, while the raised pad ensures stability, even in framed cabinets. No drilling needed, just peel, stick, and enjoy a clutter-free space. Smart storage made simple. Slice homemade bread perfectly every time with this bamboo bread slicer, just $40. Adjustable width guides help you cut even, consistent slices with ease, while the compact design saves space in your kitchen. Durable, eco-friendly, and simple to use, it's the perfect tool for fresh, bakery-style results at home. Open any jar with ease using this mount-on-cabinet jar opener. Designed for weak hands and arthritis, its double U-shaped grooves grip all lid sizes securely. Durable 304 stainless steel and one-handed use make it a must-have kitchen helper. Crack and separate eggs quickly with the stainless steel automatic egg cracker and separator. This creative handheld tool easily opens eggs and separates egg whites with less mess and more convenience. Durable, easy to use, and perfect for baking and cooking. All for just $15. Create cafe-style drinks at home with the AmsChef 8-in-1 milk frother steamer, just $80. With 550W power and a 21-ounce capacity, it effortlessly makes hot or cold froth, warms milk, and even prepares baby food. Its sleek stainless steel design delivers smooth, creamy results for lattes, cappuccinos, and hot chocolate every time. Keep your kitchen fresh and smoke-free with the stylish Airhood portable kitchen exhaust fan. Featuring activated charcoal air filters, a stainless steel oil filter, and a compact portable design, it's perfect for indoor cooktops, apartments, and small kitchens. Easy to clean and powerful enough to reduce smoke and odors fast. All for just $120. Spread cold butter effortlessly with the Sango heating butter knife spreader. This rechargeable cordless knife heats up in just 6 seconds and quickly melts butter, jam, coconut oil, and more for smooth spreading every time. Featuring a non-stick stainless steel blade and safety lock switch, it's perfect for kitchens, restaurants, and parties. All for just $20. Create healthy homemade snacks with the Elite Gourmet Yefty 319 Food Dehydrator. Featuring 5 BPA-free trays and adjustable temperature controls, it's perfect for making jerky, dried fruits, vegetables, herbs, and more. Easy to use, compact, and great for healthy snacking. All for just $35. Open stubborn lids effortlessly with the 2-piece adjustable stainless steel jar opener. Designed for weak hands, seniors, and arthritis relief, this durable metal opener adjusts to fit jars, bottles, and tight lids of all sizes. The non-slip grip provides extra leverage, making opening easy and pain-free. Portable, vintage style, and built to last, this smart kitchen gadget turns tough lids into a simple twist. Grind your spices and herbs effortlessly with the Mamba electric grinder. This USB rechargeable, portable 1G metal grinder makes seasoning quick and easy. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for fresh herbs, spices, and even small seeds in the kitchen. Quick to use, easy to clean, and built for convenience. Fresh flavors anytime, anywhere. Spread butter effortlessly with the Chef Master stainless steel butter spreader dispenser. Holds up to 3 sticks, 55 ounces, and features a smooth roller for buns, bread, griddles, and flat tops. Durable, dishwasher safe, and perfect for quick, mess-free serving. Slice butter quickly and neatly with this butter slicer cutter. The built-in storage container with lid keeps your butter organized in the fridge. Keep your kitchen clean and organized with the El Fico hanging trash can with lid. This 2.5-gallon compact bin is perfect for undersink, cupboard, or countertop use. Wall-mounted or freestanding, it saves space while the secure lid locks in odors. Durable, modern, and convenient, it's an ideal solution for everyday kitchen waste and compost. Create fun, crinkle-cut fries and perfectly sliced vegetables with this crinkle cutter knife. Made from durable stainless steel, it easily cuts potatoes, carrots, and other veggies. Ideal for snacks, salads, and creative kitchen prep every time. Organize your kitchen effortlessly with the Eucopia Storemore bakeware rack. Featuring adjustable steel dividers, it neatly stores pans and lids for easy access. Compact, customizable, and perfect for clutter-free cabinets. Quickly slice fruits with the Fire Kylan banana slicer. Made with durable ABS and stainless steel, it easily cuts bananas, strawberries, grapes, and more. Comes in a 2-piece set, perfect for salads, snacks, and effortless kitchen prep. Measure ingredients effortlessly with the 4-in-1 adjustable measuring cup. This multifunctional cup features a scraper-style seal base, push-up design, and space-saving, easy-to-clean construction. Perfect for cooking and baking. No waste, precise, and convenient every time. Prep vegetables faster with the 2-in-1 pepper seed Cora remover. Designed for quick, clean cuts, it easily removes seeds from bell peppers, zucchini, tomatoes, and more. Simple to use and efficient, this handy kitchen tool saves time and makes everyday cooking easier. Create delicious crepes, pancakes, and more with the NutriChef electric crepe maker griddle. Its 12-inch non-stick surface ensures even cooking and easy cleanup, while adjustable temperature control gives you perfect results every time. With LED indicators and included wooden spatula and batter spreader, it's everything you need for quick, hassle-free cooking at home. Organize your kitchen neatly with the Nesapto 4-tier wood spice rack organizer. Designed to hold up to 28 spice jars, this stylish vertical rack works perfectly on countertops, cabinets, or walls. Durable, space-saving, and easy to install. All for just $25.